Welcome to your quick guide on registering a medical device in the United States. In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through how OMC Medical can support your journey to FDA compliance, from classification to market entry. First, identify your device's risk class, Class 1, 2, or 3. Then, register your company with the FDA and list your device. This step is essential to begin selling in the U.S. market. Next, submit the right application. Most Class 2 devices need a 510(k), Class 3 requires a PMA. OMC Medical helps prepare everything from documentation to submission to reduce approval delays. After approval, stay compliant. Use correct labels, follow FDA manufacturing standards, and monitor your device in the market. This keeps patients safe and your registration secure. OMC Medical is your expert guide to the U.S. market. From strategy and submissions to post-market support, we help simplify every step. Let's get your device FDA ready together.